Hi, everyone. I hope that you've had a great summer and are looking forward to the fall semester. My name is Jennifer Dumoulin. You can call me Jen. That's completely fine. And I'll be your professor for CMN2101B, Research Methods in Communication, or as I like to call it, Introduction to Research Methods. With our first class starting tomorrow, I thought I'd reach out and run through a couple of logistical items related to how to actually attend our weekly classes. We'll go through the syllabus, the course assignments, and general expectations tomorrow. This video is really just about how do we actually get to that point. Now, our class is a bimodal or hybrid course, which means that some of you are signed up to attend classes in person in Site G0103, and some of you will be attending classes virtually on Zoom. You can find those via the links in Brightspace. Now, these two classes, the virtual and the in-person sessions, actually run at the same time. So all of our classes take place at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesdays throughout the semester. There are a couple of exceptions. We'll talk about some guest speakers and stuff like that tomorrow, but in your calendar to start, put 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Wednesdays, whether you're virtual or in person. Now, these classes are live classes. That means that you're expected to attend class and participate in discussions, whether in person or in the chat, as well as participating in our in-class activities. Now, with that said, 3 hours is a really long time to sit in front of your computer, whether you're in class or in the comfort of your own home. So our class is actually going to run from about 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., give or take. And then you'll have readings, videos, and activities to do on your own outside of that to allow for that extra hour. And we'll take all of that stuff up in class the next week. A couple more things here. If you're signed up for the virtual section of our course, I recommend signing in about 5 to 10 minutes early, at least for the first couple of classes, just to make sure that everything is working properly. If you're attending our classes in person, please arrive early. The microphones in the hybrid classes are super sensitive, and noise caused by arriving late is actually going to impact the experience and like the ability of everyone at home to hear everything happening in class. As well, if you're going to be attending classes in person, please remember to follow all COVID-19 guidelines. So this includes wearing a mask in class, social distancing in our classroom, and completing the COVID-19 screening before coming to campus. Lastly, how do you know whether you're registered for the in-person or virtual section of our course? Check your enrollment through UOZone. The virtual class code is BV00, and the in-person class code is BA00. But they're both section B, so these classes are both running together. You're all going to be learning the same thing and reading the same material. Now that should be enough to get us started. I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone tomorrow, whether you're in person or online. And please feel free to reach out to myself or our fantastic teaching assistant, Cassidy, if you have any questions. Okay, thank you. Bye.